Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Midjourney update. I'm starting a new series of weekly Midjourney office hours recaps as you requested. I'm here to break down the latest news from the Midjourney team about what they're working on and what's coming next. Also in these videos, I will showcase the top images of the week from the Midjourney Explore page, along with their prompts and the people who generated them. I hope this makes the video more visually pleasing to watch each week and that you get inspired by these amazing creations. Let's dive in. First update is about new web editor on Midjourney Alpha website. It's launching this week, possibly today or tomorrow. It combines reframe and repaint features, meaning it will have very region, zoom out, change aspect ratio, pan features in a more consolidated and simplified way in a new user interface. It will be currently only for Midjourney images, and non-Midjourney image editing is coming later. 2. Personality and demographics. Upcoming personality survey to explore the link between personality and aesthetics. Demographic exploration tool in the works, possibly launching by the end of the month. 3. Version 6.2. It's currently in training, not yet in testing. Expected to be bigger than the 6.1 release. Will incorporate some version 7 datasets for improved prompt accuracy. It will be possibly ready for testing in 1-2 weeks, and launch is expected in the beginning of September. 4. Depth Control Net feature. It's currently being tested with guides and mods. Currently only works with version 6. It may be aligned with the 6.2 release. 5. Bigger batches. Testing larger batch sizes 8 or 16 on the website. Final decision pending algorithm testing. 6. New personalization system. Allows for multiple personalizations up to 10 models. More coherent long-term management of personalizations. Testing to begin next week. 7. Website access. Now available to users with at least 10 Midjourney images. Full public access coming soon. 8. Long-term projects, meaning for next 3-4 months. Version 7 models in training. New video model is coming. 3D data collection phase starting soon. Drawing features with new dataset. Faster, more real-time image generation. 9. Website enhancements. Room syncing between Discord and website is coming. New top bar design will be rolled out. Improved explore and describe features are coming. New ways to rate images are coming, meaning you will be able to rate the aesthetics of the image or only coherence. The Midjourney team is working hard on these exciting updates with even more ambitious secret projects in the pipeline. While some features like subfolders might be on hold, the focus is on delivering these game-changing improvements. That's all for this week's recap. Stay tuned for more updates and happy creating with Midjourney.